Hello, welcome to Kenshasha's Kitchen. Today we're gonna have wings. I'm gonna do lemon pepper wings, and I'm using my air fryer. Okay, so I've already cleaned the chicken, and how I clean my chicken, I soak it in vinegar and water. I clean it first, soak it in vinegar and water, rinse it off, and then I wash it again. And now it's ready to be seasoned. And so I see some water down here at the bottom. I'm just gonna pour that off, and we're gonna get to it. The seasoning that I will be using will be okay, so the season I will be using for the wings itself will be, I'm gonna put a little salt. I'm gonna do about a half a teaspoon of salt, because I'm also gonna salt my flour. So I'm gonna do salt. I'm gonna even put a little bit of paprika. And remember, paprika is not spicy. Paprika is really only used for to give it color. You know, that's it. And also, guys, remember when you're using I'm really gonna have to take this off. It's really hard to, because paprika is like a powder form. And I'm gonna just, it has nothing to do with spicy. Some people think paprika is spicy. It's only for color, just to help give it the color. Keep it from when you're doing meats for looking not brown, like it's not cooked. I'm also gonna put ground mustard. Ground mustard is gonna help with the flavor. Now, actually, just not opening this one. So, and it doesn't take a lot of ground mustard. This is another one that it don't take a lot. So we're gonna use about a half teaspoon of that. We're even going to put a little bit of garlic powder. And this is the roasted, because I couldn't find my just regular garlic powder in my pantry. I'm really out, I guess. So I like to use what I have, so it's okay. I'm out of onion powder, so I'll just be putting a little bit of onion mix on it, which is fine. You just won't put too much, because my husband probably won't like that. And then we're going to use lemon pepper. And I did put, remember, lemon pepper is salty. It has salt base to it. So I did put a half a teaspoon of salt already. Okay. So I'm going to put the lid on this. Put just a little bit more of these onions. Got plenty of that. Let me get the lid. I forgot to wash my lid a while ago when I had cleaned the chicken in that same bowl and rinsed it and cleaned that bowl so I could put it back in there because I had the vinegar in there. Now I'm just cleaning the lid to the bowl so I can shake it up real good. So that's why that's the noise you hear. Okay, so now all I'm doing is putting, this is what it looks like now. I'm just gonna shake it up real good, just so all of it can have coating. And I took the liquid from the bottom of the chicken, of course. I had drained it, and you're still gonna have some water on it. And I'm just trying to make sure this chicken is coated. That's all I'm doing. This is how it's going to look. Okay. And I just want to make sure it's coated. I didn't put any black pepper on here, which is fine because I'm going to have... Okay, so... in this bowl, I have AP flour only, and it's about, this is about a half a cup. It's not very much, because remember, we're doing it in the air fryer, so you're not going to coat it really heavy. And I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of salt in your AP flour, because I did put seasoning on my meat. And then I'm going to put about a half of black pepper. And then I'm going to get the whisk, and I'm just going to whisk it together. Okay. So, and all I'm going to do now is whisk